If your Honeywell 360 surround heater isn't working, you can usually fix it with a few simple checks. Start by ruling out power issues. Plug another device into the same outlet to confirm it's working. Make sure the heater's power switch is on, and turn the thermostat knob fully clockwise. If the room is already warm, the heater may not turn on at all, which is normal behavior. Next, check the vents for dust or anything blocking airflow. If you find an obstruction, unplug the heater, let it cool for at least 10 minutes, clear the blockage, then plug it back in. If the heater shut off suddenly or shows a flashing 88 code, it likely overheated and triggered a safety feature. Honeywell 360 heaters have multiple protections, including overheat protection and a 360-degree tip-over switch that shuts the unit off if it isn't perfectly upright. To reset this, unplug the heater, let it cool completely, place it on a firm, level surface, then plug it back in and turn it on again. Regular dust buildup can cause repeat overheating, so always clean the exterior with a soft, dry cloth only, never use water or chemicals. If the heater won't turn on at all after these steps, the thermal cutoff fuse may have blown. This is a permanent safety shutoff caused by severe overheating. Some models allow fuse replacement with a genuine Honeywell part, but others do not. If you're not comfortable opening the heater, or if it's still under Honeywell's 3-year limited warranty, contacting customer support is the safest option. Always keep the heater on a stable surface, maintain at least 3 feet of clearance from flammable items, and never leave it running unattended.